Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and device readiness. Sign in and make sure iMessage is toggled on. This links your number and email to Apple servers. Once done, verify network access, use Wi-Fi to avoid roaming charges, or enable data if you prefer. Make sure Send and Receive lists the number and at least one email. This ensures recipients can reach you. Don't waste time on backups now. Focus on linking identities and securing a stable connection so messages can flow internationally. You now prepare how you'll address people. Edit contacts to include the full international format with a plus sign and country code. This avoids carrier misrouting. Next, add each person's Apple ID email to their contact card and confirm their device shows as reachable via iMessage. When composing, choose Blue Bubble iMessage threads. That guarantees Apple's encrypted delivery rather than SMS. Once contacts and addresses match Apple's system, your messages travel over data, bypassing SMS fees and cross-border carrier limitations. You finish by sending a test message and verifying delivery indicators. Blue bubbles plus delivered or read confirm success. If messages appear green, that means SMS, toggle iMessage off and on, then sign out and back into your Apple ID to force re-registration. If problems persist, reset network settings or update iOS to clear stale certificates. Only do this after trying simpler fixes. One key troubleshooting tip. Confirm both parties have the correct plus country format and reachable Apple ID addresses to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.